Winter can be brutal on swimming pools. Incorrect water levels can lead to cracked tile, collapsed walls, and damaged covers. Today we show you the professional way to lower your water to the exact winter-safe level quickly and correctly. Welcome back to USAPoolShop. Lowering the water 6 to 8 inches below the skimmer is the foundation of proper winterization. This simple step creates the space needed for ice expansion and prevents excess rain or snow from stressing your winter cover and equipment. Here is the step-by-step method recommended for all pool owners. If you have a sand or diatomaceous earth filter, switch the multi-port valve to the waste position, connect a backwash hose, and direct it downhill to an approved drainage area while following local regulations. If you have a cartridge filter, use a submersible sump pump for accurate water control. Close all skimmer lines and open the main drain so the water is removed efficiently from the deep end. Start draining on a clear and dry day and watch the water level closely. Stop as soon as the water reaches 6 to 8 inches below the skimmer opening. You can place a piece of painter's tape on the tile to mark your target level. For vinyl liner and fiberglass pools, never drain below this point because low water weight can cause liner wrinkles or shell movement. When done correctly, this process protects your pool throughout the winter season. For a complete step-by-step guide, check the full resource titled Winter Pool Prep, How to Drain Water to the Perfect Level. Link in the description. Everything you need, such as winter covers, pumps, and closing kits, is available at USAPoolShop.com with fast nationwide shipping. Follow USAPoolShop on social media for year-round expert tips. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and comment with any winterizing questions. We are here to help.